I just missed Betty leaving the nest. She laid her egg. She said, I've had enough of that squawking and screeching. I'm getting out of here. So there's Chrissy's egg, Betty's egg. And I put Squawky Face here in one of the nesting boxes. So it's the next day, clearly. I was having muscle spasms in my right shoulder, and by the time we got putting these 4x6s in here, well, 2 of them, we got to do another one. It was getting late and it was getting dark. You know, it's getting dark an hour earlier now, so we're really losing a lot of time. The best time of the day that we like to do this stuff. So we're going to try and get started here on the other end wall, and hopefully get the ledger on today. I'm not sure. Fingers crossed. Anyway, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Let's get started with our day. Hard time seeing this right because it blends in very well. I guess now I can paint all the indoors. So we purposely cut this a little long because it was going to hit this thing. So Chris is just going to get the Sawzall and cut the corner off here. And then we'll add some gravel underneath here to make, because this is actually pretty level here and square down here. So that's the important thing. Wall is way out of square, and you can see that by the way the stud is running up and down here. So we're going to brace this wall before we add the other cripples and the window jamb, because it'll be easier to move it without all that in there. And we always use screws when we put the braces in, because then you can just unscrew them, whereas if you nail them all, then you kind of waste the lumber and wreck the lumber too. guys, that is us done for today. Another good day. So happy to have this end wall framed, tied into the corner, leveled both ways, and it's nice and secure now. And once Chris gets the ledger all the way along here from the other end to this end, then he can tie in this wall to the ledger as well. So pretty excited. A little more progress today. We had a couple little hiccups again today. I popped a blood vessel in my eye. I started coughing and I was choking so hard I popped a blood vessel in my eye. And then so Chris went and got gravel while I did some other stuff, had a little rest. Anyway, this getting old is tough. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you next time.